Now you might remember a few videos back, maybe a couple of months ago, I said I put it out to you, the viewer, what did you want to see with regards to the Range Rover. I've had a few suggestions. Now one suggestion, I can't remember who it was, you might identify yourself in the comment section below. He said, we've all seen videos of replacing the tailgate struts and the bonnet struts. How about replacing the strut on the cubby box, the centre console lid? And I'm like, has my car got that? Anyway, I lifted the lid up on it, and yes, it has got a strut in the lid. Who knew? So I've ordered one. I don't know if you're supposed to release it and it comes up on its own or what. This is obviously a 2010. Although it's very low mileage, it's getting on, it's 13 years old now. So I ordered this. It's a genuine Land Rover part, came from Land Rover Direct. Now I had it sent to somewhere in the UK when Mum and Dad was visiting, so they could bring it back over, because the actual part was about £18. Delivery to France was 25, so a bit of a no-brainer. I'm going to see if I can do it from the rear of the car. I've put the driver's seat all the way forward. I'm just waiting for the Hobbit to come and put the passenger seat all the way forward, because I think we have to take the lid off, which, if the seats are back, you can't get to the screws. So anyway, I'm going to hopefully try and set the camera up in the car, and we'll change this. I'll put the part number up on the screen. Now this is, I don't know if it'll fit your car, if you've got the same. If it's a 2010, this will be the part number. And I'm assuming 2010 onwards, right through to 2012. A cheap part, and I thought, well, I'll change it and see if there is any difference in the lid. It feels quite stiff, and we'll see what the old one's like when we get it off. So let's get in the car and take it apart. There's not a lot of room in the back of these cars, is there? Not when you're trying to set up a tripod. And let me switch that off so you can see what I'm doing. Hang on. We're in the back of the Range Rover. I think the best thing to do is just to take this lid off. That's just 2 Torx screws in from either side. So I've taken the bolt out with the ram there. I'm going to have to take this cover off, see if I can do it. Now we can get to that, which does feel a little bit sluggish, and that is just you can see that there's like a circlip. You just pull that out. It's the original one. It's got absolutely no damping effect whatsoever. This is the new one. Oh, bloody hell. There we go. So I'll just pop this back in here. You can see that there's a pin in there with circlets. That's back on now. Hey! And look. Oh. Well, that's another good job done. A little bit fiddly, that. Whether I had to take that all apart like that, I don't know. I might have just been able to take the inside of the lid off and swapped over the ram. I obviously made it more complicated than I needed to. But yeah, it's a good job done. Pop the lid and it opens up on its own. And when you go to close it, it snaps shut on its own as well. So yeah, good job done. So I'll put a link in the description. It was Land Rover Parts Direct or something. Quite a cheap part, genuine Land Rover. It's just another one of those little jobs, something that wears out on the car that you don't even think about. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.